سلام به همه بیننده این ویدیو. من عزت‌الله غلامی هستم. Hello to all viewers of this video. I am عزت‌الله غلامی. به این ویدیو ما نگاه میندازیم به 50 تا لغت ضروری به حساب روزمره به زبان فارسی استفاده می شود. We are going to look at 50 most essential words used in Persian on daily basis. For those of you who were born outside of Iran, Afghanistan and Tajikistan, did you know Persian language is mostly spoken in Iran, Afghanistan and Tajikistan, as well as it's spoken in countries like Bahrain, Iraq, Pakistan, India and Turkey. You will find Persian speakers all over the world, but mostly it's spoken in the area I have just mentioned. Let's learn the 50 essential words used on daily basis in Persian. Learn Persian or English by watching these clips. Where, which, how. How means چطور. Which means کدام. Where means کجا. سلام. Hello. آره. Yes. نه. No. خدا حافظ. Goodbye. خوش آمدید. Welcome. شاید. Maybe. امروز. Today. فردا. Tomorrow. دیروز. Yesterday. صبح. Morning. ظهر. Noon. بعد از ظهر. Afternoon. عصر. Evening. شب. Night. چه زمانی. When. کجا. Where. چی. What. چرا. Why. کدام یک. Which one. چطور. How. چند تا. How many. چقدر. How much. الان. Now. قبل از. Before. بعد از. After. صبر کن. Wait. برو. Go. بالا. Up. پایین. Down. معذرت. Sorry. ببخشید. Excuse me. متشکرم. تشکر. Thank you. لطفاً. Please. کمک. Help. خوب. Good. bad. Bad. این. this اون that اینجا here آنجا there به هر حال anyway من I شما you او he ما we آنها they او است she is what does man mean what is the meaning of دیروز how do you say tomorrow what does اینجا mean good how do you say night how do you say excuse me how do you say please have a go try آفرین good من means I yesterday means دیروز tomorrow means فردا here اینجا night شب ببخشید excuse me لطفاً please تبریک میگم ما یک درس را به پایان رساندیم برای یادگیری بیشتر من شما را خیلی زود در ویدیوهای بعدی میبینم تشکر از اینکه ویدیو را تا آخر بیننده بودید Congratulations, we have completed a lesson. Thank you for watching the videos until the end. For more learning, I see you soon in the next video. Thank you.